Previously it has been reported that Seoul and area of Gyeonggi-do are experiencing heavy rain. According to reports, 422 millimeters of rainwater fell on the city. Due to the heavy rains, parts of Lower Seoul, namely Gangnam and its surrounding districts, were flooded. The southern city of Incheon, just west of Seoul, has also been flooded. The floods have caused an immense amount of damage. As of writing this article, 7 people have died, and 6 more people are reported missing. Damages to infrastructure throughout the city has been rife. Subway stations, malls, and roads have all reported damage. Among the despair, one man's act of courage is going viral. A post on an online community has since been viewed over 500k times. The post titled "In Comes Superman" revealed that one man braved the floods and, with his bare hands, removed a mountain of trash blocking the sewers. The post revealed pictures of a middle-aged man cleaning out the entrance to a street gutter. Netizens applauded the man for his bravery and called him a hero. He is such a cool guy. He is a hero. It's a good thing that there are still people like him in this country. He's so cool. He really is Superman. Wow, is he the owner of the Audi? He's so cool. He's doing it with his bare hands. This man is proof that superheroes don't only exist in movies. Unfortunately for the citizens of Seoul, they may need many more superheroes, as more heavy rain is predicted to fall on the city in the upcoming days.